Welcome to this transformative guided meditation practice, where we will explore and balance the energy centers within your body known as the chakras. As you settle into a comfortable position, allow yourself to relax and open up to the healing power of this practice. The chakras are vital energy centers that run along your spine, each associated with specific qualities and aspects of your being. When these energy centers are balanced and harmonious, they contribute to your overall well-being, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. Throughout this meditation, we will journey through each of the 7 main chakras, starting from the base of your spine and moving upwards. As we explore each chakra, we will use affirmations to align and activate its energy, allowing it to flow freely and revitalize your entire being. As we move through each chakra, allow yourself to feel the resonance and healing energy within. Embrace the power of these affirmations, knowing that you have the ability to balance and align your chakras, creating a harmonious flow of energy throughout your entire being. Take a deep breath in, feeling the energy of these affirmations filling your entire body. And as you exhale, release any blockages or imbalances that no longer serve you. Know that you have the power to heal and transform your energy centers, enhancing your overall well-being and connection to your true self. Embrace this journey with an open heart and mind, and allow the healing energy of the chakras to guide you towards greater balance, clarity, and inner peace. Root Chakra, Muladhara. Visualize a vibrant red light at the base of your spine, grounding you to the earth, and repeat the affirmations out loud or in your head. I am grounded and connected to the earth. I am safe and secure in my body and in the world. I trust in the abundance of the universe to provide for my needs. I release fear and embrace a sense of stability and strength. I am worthy of love, success, and prosperity. I am rooted in my purpose and aligned with my true self. I am grateful for the lessons and experiences that have shaped me. I am open to receiving and giving support from others. I am resilient and capable of overcoming any challenges that come my way. I am at peace with my past and excited for the future. Moving to the sacral chakra, Svadhisthana. Now envision a warm orange glow in your lower abdomen. Repeat affirmations silently or out loud. I embrace my creativity and allow it to flow freely. I am in touch with my emotions and honor them without judgment. I am comfortable with my sensuality and express it in healthy ways. I am open to experiencing pleasure and joy in all aspects of my life. I am worthy of receiving love and nurturing relationships. I am confident in my ability to create a life that brings me happiness. I release any guilt or shame associated with my desires and needs. I am connected to my intuition and trust its guidance. I am comfortable with change and embrace new experiences. I am in touch with my inner child and allow myself to play and have fun. Now for the solar plexus chakra, Manipura. Imagine a radiant yellow light in your stomach area, empowering your personal power and confidence. Repeat the affirmations, I am confident in my abilities and trust in my personal power. I am worthy of success and abundance in all areas of my life. I am motivated and take action towards achieving my goals. I release any self-doubt and embrace my unique strengths and talents. I am in control of my own life and make decisions that align with my highest good. I am deserving of respect and recognition for my achievements. I am connected to my inner wisdom and trust my gut instincts. I am comfortable setting healthy boundaries and asserting myself. I am open to receiving and giving love, compassion, and forgiveness. I am grateful for the lessons I've learned and the growth I've experienced. Heart Chakra, Anahata. Picture a gentle green light in the center of your chest, radiating love and compassion. Repeat the affirmations: I am open to giving and receiving love unconditionally. I forgive myself and others, releasing any past hurts or resentments. I am connected to the divine love that flows through me and all beings. I am compassionate and empathetic towards myself and others. I am worthy of nurturing and fulfilling relationships. I am grateful for the love and support that surrounds me. I am in harmony with my emotions and allow them to guide me. I am open to healing and releasing any blockages in my heart space. I am connected to the beauty and joy that exists in the world. I am at peace with myself and radiate love to all beings. For the throat chakra, Vishuddha. Visualize a soothing blue light in your throat, allowing clear and authentic communication. Repeat the affirmations: I express myself authentically and confidently. I speak my truth with clarity and integrity. I am a good listener and communicate effectively with others. I am open to receiving and expressing constructive feedback. I trust my intuition and speak from a place of inner wisdom. I am worthy of being heard and understood. I release any fear of judgment and embrace my unique voice. I am comfortable with silence and allow space for reflection. I am grateful for the power of words to create positive change. I am in touch with my creativity and express it through various forms. And for the third eye chakra, Ajna. Imagine an indigo light in the center of your forehead, awakening your intuition and inner wisdom. Repeat the affirmations: I trust my intuition and follow its guidance. I am connected to my higher self and the wisdom of the universe. I am open to receiving divine insights and messages. I am in touch with my inner vision and manifest my dreams into reality. I'm aware of the synchronicities and signs that guide me on my path. I am grateful for the clarity and understanding that comes from within. I release any limiting beliefs and embrace expanded consciousness. I am connected to the infinite intelligence that resides within me. I am worthy of accessing and utilizing my psychic abilities. I am at peace with the unknown and trust in the divine plan for my life. Finally, for our crown chakra, Sahasrara. Envision a brilliant violet light at the top of your head, connecting you to the divine and universal consciousness. Repeat the affirmations: I am connected to the divine source of all creation. I am open to receiving divine guidance and inspiration. I am in touch with my higher self and trust its wisdom. I am worthy of experiencing spiritual enlightenment and awakening. I am grateful for the divine love and light that flows through me. I release any attachments and I release any attachments and surrender to the divine flow of life. I am connected to the infinite wisdom and knowledge of the universe. I am open to receiving divine downloads and insights. I am aligned with my higher purpose and live in alignment with my soul's calling. I am at peace with the interconnectedness of all beings and the universe. These affirmations can be used to support the balance and alignment of each chakra. Feel free to choose the ones that resonate with you the most and repeat them daily or whenever you feel the need to realign and strengthen your chakra system. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment, carrying the revitalized energy of your balanced chakras with you. May this meditation bring you profound healing, alignment, and a deeper connection to your authentic self.